Yes, me a feel. Come in at this, my daughter. Come in at this. Yeah, Facebook. My local girl. Come here, sir, my local girl. Tell them what at my school. Where we just get the notification.
I got a merit in English.
Yeah, the entire school. I merit mean the highest average in the English language. And your school is a
French school.
French only, right? Them do everything in a French, right? Maths in a French, science in a French, everything in a French, right? And my daughter Carol Mara, what kind of merit?
English.
So you know how graduation stay. When graduation, how it go? How it go with graduation?
I don't know.
Your mother gonna lose it! Corona me could not go on bad price giving, me I tell you now. Me said we have a brother right now, if I run go along at the school, go just bum flick past the gate. People don't at school?
No.
Am I not there?
No.
So you last day at school? Sure. Look at God. I was to big up God straight for the gift and the curse, for every struggle, for everything. I'm telling you all the time, investing on the children them. Tiara, she don't tell her, Mr. Kennedy, you can't ban a foreigner and come turn prime minister. You can't ban a foreigner and important. You can't come at them top school there and you know come out point up your name for your mention cause your mother mouth loud. Now drop the catch boy and my daughter. Them sick away. Yo! 2029 said we here. Kennedy. Work for the local graduation. Come here, work for my graduation dance. Now I practice my dance from now. You want to lose weight for graduation? How you want me to do? Wanna be started?
Nothing.
Baby, by nothing. Are you happy about your achievement?
Yes.
Are you proud of yourself? It is very important that you're proud of yourself. Even if you don't do the work, your mother gonna beat you and break you down and fracture your body. But it is also very important that you did this for yourself. Did you do this for yourself? Do you work hard at the school for yourself? Is this school a lot of work?
Yes.
But you have to do it. I have to work hard. Why?
So I can pass
So you can pass and
be proud of myself.
right? And you don't have to worry about where you're gonna eat, what you're gonna wear, none of those stuff you don't have to worry about.
School.
Right? And if you only have to worry about school, that means you have to.
Study.
Right? And when you study, you have to.
Work hard.
And when you work, and you have to.
Pass.
Right? Big up me. Big up Kennedy. Big up God. Right now, celebration time. I bump me, I bump flick back way. Back way, Kennedy, one before Kennedy. Back way. We are moving to the front. Thank you. Whoa. One left, Kennedy, one left. One left, Kennedy, one left. One left, Kennedy, one left. One left. Yo. Them can't hold me. Oh, I'm Kennedy, me know. I have no voice today. When today done. Yo, I'm on thing. Come in, Lady Kennedy. Lady Kennedy, come in at this. My one shall I. Come here, sir. Come on, here, mother. Here, cover. The girl shine bright like a star. Kennedy, I'm my me first, Kennedy. Not even the sky or the limit. Do anything you want. Oh, girl, over there, girl. Your mother proud of you. Yeah, Fifi. My daughter up on top. Yeah. Hold on. Can you do a look dance now?
No, I'm okay.
Take care of the look dance.
No.
But you're still happy. And your friend in the online a chat.
No.
Eh? So what now do?
Nothing.
So like how you get the merit now, where you go do?
Sleep. Sleep.
Bye. Bye, girl. Bye, can you only for run out? Eh? No. Yes, Leanne. Me I do that party for myself. The rare party for me. Come and work hard. I'm a sacrifice. Cause enough Louis Vuitton and enough Gucci and Louis. I could not take money and buy. I'm do that. I said I got school. I said I got good school. I spend my money and said I got the people in school because I got to beat somebody. Hold them, Ken, hold them. Hold them. Yes, sir. People, I'm gonna flick back way now. Back way.